Why do numbers appear so often in ancient African religious systems, calendars, architecture, and symbolism? Today we explore the importance of numbers in Igbo culture and Ancient Kemet, and separate historical evidence from modern speculation. Like, comment, and share for more. Numbers are everywhere. They measure time. They organize space. They describe patterns. And ancient civilizations often gave certain numbers cultural or religious significance. In Igbo society, one of the clearest examples is the 4-day market cycle. Orie and Nkwo. These 4 days have historically been important for markets, community organization, names, and cultural identity. But we need to be careful. Modern interpretations sometimes claim that each of the 4 days universally represents a specific cosmic force or spiritual energy. Such claims are not necessarily shared across all Igbo communities. Igbo traditions vary considerably. What we can confidently say is that the 4-day cycle created a powerful structure for organizing social time. Now let's look at Ancient Kemet. Egyptian civilization developed sophisticated mathematical and calendrical systems. One famous religious example is the Ennead of Heliopolis, a group of 9 divine figures beginning with Adam. The number 9 therefore had an important structural role within that particular Egyptian theological tradition. We also see recurring uses of 3 and other numbers throughout Egyptian religion and symbolism. But again, context matters. Not every appearance of a number means it possessed one universal mystical meaning. Sometimes numbers were practical, sometimes symbolic, sometimes both. This is important because modern spirituality often assigns elaborate meanings to ancient numbers without historical evidence. Instead of asking, "What secret code does this number hide?" we can ask something more meaningful. Why did ancient civilizations organize their understanding of reality through numbers? The answer may begin with observation. The seasons repeat. The sun follows patterns. The moon changes in cycles. Agriculture depends upon timing. Trade depends upon counting. Architecture depends upon measurement. Numbers allowed ancient people to turn observation into order. For the Igbo, the 4-day cycle helped organize community life. For the Egyptians, mathematics, calendars, agriculture, architecture, and religious systems were deeply connected. Numbers therefore became more than calculations. They became a language for recognizing patterns. And perhaps that is the real lesson. The ancient world was not simply looking for mysterious numbers. It was looking for order within existence. When we recognize patterns, we begin to understand relationships. And when we understand relationships, we begin asking deeper cosmological questions. Why is nature ordered? Why do cycles repeat? Why can the universe be measured? Those questions take us beyond mathematics, into philosophy, and eventually, into the mystery of existence itself. What number has special meaning in your culture or spiritual tradition? Tell me below. Like this video, share it with someone fascinated by African cosmology, and follow for the next deep exploration.